मंत्रध्यानामध्ये आपल्याला दोन गोष्टींची जाणीव असणार आहे प्रत्येक वेळेला. एक, आपण फक्त जो मंत्र आहे तो ऐकायचा आहे. नॉर्मली मी मंत्रध्यान वेगळं घेतो, पण ते एकत्रित जेव्हा असतात तेव्हा घेतलेलं जास्त इफेक्टिव्ह असतं. आत्ता आपल्याला फक्त ओम नमः शिवाय हा जो जप आहे हा जप ऐकायचा आहे. आणि त्याच वेळेला आपल्या बंद डोळ्यांपुढे आपल्याला अतिशय सुंदर अशी शिवलिंगाची ही आणायची आहे प्रतिमा. आणि वी शुड बी अवेअर ऑफ बोथ द थिंग्स, द मंत्र विच यू आर लिसनिंग and the image of Shivalinga which you are seeing in front of your closed eyes. So you are aware of these both the things. And when this hearing will stop, you should start chanting it mentally. And at that time, you will be aware of your mental chanting. At the same time, you are aware of the Shivalinga which you are seeing in front of your closed eyes. Okay? That is the way of concentration. And in that way, we will go for 10 minutes. बाकी मी सूचनामध्ये देईनच म्हणजे. Just close your eyes. Visualize the beautiful Shivalinga in front of your closed eyes. And now listen the mantra Om Namah Shivaya. And you will be aware of both the things, the mantra and the Shivalinga. काहीतरी प्रॉब्लेम झाला याच्यात, मलाही माहित नाहीये काय प्रॉब्लेम झाला तो. एकच मिनिट. मी ऍक्च्युली चालू केलं होतं, पुढे काय झालं मला माहित नाही. Anyway, forget it. Just close your eyes. Contemplate on the Shivalinga, which you are visualizing in front of your closed eyes. And just listen this mantra, Om Namah Shivaya. 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 शिवाय. ओम नमः 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 शिवाय. Continue mental chanting and be aware of your mental chanting and the beautiful Shivalinga in front of your closed eyes. You are aware of two things. One, the mental chanting, and two, the image of Shivalinga. No other awareness. Nothing is there in your mind except the mantra and the Shivalinga. If your mind is wandering, slowly bring back to the Shivalinga. I am meditating on Shivalinga. I am aware of mental chanting. Just experience this beautiful meditation, a beautiful concentration. त्याचंच मनन आहे, त्याचंच चिंतन आहे आणि त्याचाच जप आहे. जाणीव फक्त दोन ठिकाणी, मानसिक जपाची जाणीव आणि बंद डोळ्यापुढे असलेल्या शिवलिंगाची जाणीव. Continue mental chanting. Now stop mental chanting. Stop visualizing the Shivalinga in front of you. Nothing is there in the mind. No mental chanting, no visualization. Simply silence. Drop your individuality also. Drop each and every thought, even the thought that I am meditating. This thought also should not be there. In fact, that I is not there. Experience this total silence. Merge your individuality into that ultimate reality represented by Shivalinga. Drop all your labels which you have put on your personality. And experience the simple silence. It is the absolute darkness, absolute silence. Enjoy this total merger. Drop your individuality. Drop even the thought that I am meditating. Enjoy this total silence. Now to end this meditation, let us chant one Omkar in middle pitch with prolonged makar. For that, exhale out totally. Inhale deeply. Om. Rub your palms on each other. Apply that heat around your eyes. Give a gentle massage to the area around your eyes. Gentle massage to your forehead with fingers. Then to nose, cheeks, chin. Slowly open your eyes. Hari Om. मागच्या वेळेला